Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking the Civic on level ground and shifting to park with the parking brake on. Use a Phillips screwdriver and a 10 mm socket to remove visible screws and bolts. Pry trim gently with a plastic trim tool to reveal hidden fasteners. Avoid metal tools that scratch plastic. Disconnect any electrical connectors before lifting the armrest out, noting connector locations and clip orientations. Work on a clean, flat surface, and set fasteners in labeled containers to keep track of small pieces during reassembly. Unbox the replacement armrest and inspect fitment details against the removed unit. Compare mounting tabs and alignment pins between old and new armrests so holes line up with the console studs. Transfer foam padding, hinges, and screws if the new armrest lacks them, keeping original hardware when possible for correct fit. Lubricate any moving plastic pivots lightly with silicone spray for smooth action. Test fit the armrest before final assembly to ensure proper clearance with the seat, console lid, and any adjacent trim pieces. Position the replacement armrest onto the console, aligning pins and tabs until it sits flush. Reconnect electrical connectors and secure two 10 mm bolts hand-tight before torquing them to ensure alignment stays correct. Tighten bolts to a snug feel, about 8 to 12 Nm, avoiding over-torque that can strip plastic threads. Use a torque driver if available. Reinstall any trim panels and screws in the reverse order removed. Then verify latch engagement and open-close motion across full travel while checking for rattles or binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.